Tubesters, how's everyone? My son wanted takeaway. Oh god. Yeah, no, I'm still yawning. I'll explain why in a minute. Can you see him? Yeah, there he is. Not facing me. Anyway, doing this order. Why am I so tired? I had a Birmingham job yesterday. I got the message, I think it was about 3 o'clock in the afternoon yesterday. He says to me, "Do you want to do a Birmingham job in 12 hours? I thought, yeah, go on then. Be some okay money. Return journey, 180 quid. I thought, yeah, go on then. Anyway, what happened? I went home, tried to get some sleep, in and out of sleep, you know that state. And 2:30 I woke up. He says I'll be at my house at 3 a.m. So 2:30 I woke up, straight out after bathroom. And obviously I had a 15-minute drive, 10-minute checkup, then another 15-minute drive to the collection point. So I picked him up and I took him to airport. Came back, dropped bus off, got my car, and I came back home at 7 o'clock in the morning. My son just came back from work. So he went to work. My miss, well, don't say my missus, but you know what I mean. She came down, she's ready to have a breakfast. And she says, "Oh, you going to bed now?" I said, "Of course I am." So I went to bed. I think it was about 12, half 12, I woke up. Just couldn't get sleep. There's a voice in my head that says to me, "If you're going to sleep now, you're not going to sleep later." That's one voice that kept on coming to my mind. So I thought, you shit. So I got up, had my breakfast, had the bath, and just been bloody yawning all day. Got a text message from doctors calling me in for a blood test. So I don't know if that's going to do with my operation or not, or just a diabetic review or kind of thing. I ain't got a clue. I'll find out tomorrow. So anyway, I've kind of messed myself up with that. 17th of this month, I'll be going to London, like I've said in one of my previous videos. I'll just park in front of me, pal, it's fine. And yeah, he wants me to drive back, but obviously with me driving back, then I've got to pick these people up from Birmingham Airport next day at 2 o'clock in the morning. I'll be huffed. Time when I get back, it'll be 6 p.m. So yeah, I'll be knackered. But yeah, guys, sorry about all the yawning today. I'm just so shattered. But I'll catch you later, yeah?